Right, look at here, continuation. Okay, first one, methods of expressing the concentration of a solution. The first method is the mass percentage. It is also considered as a weight by weight percentage. Okay na? Right, look at here. We can calculate the mass percentage of the solute or mass percentage of the solvent. Okay, now I am taking one solution. Okay, now here solution means it containing two components. Why? Because of we are taking the binary components. That's why here one of the component is the solute and another second one is the solvent. Okay, now here these two components, for example here solution is there, solution containing the solute plus solvent. Here I can find out the mass percentage of the solute or either calculate the mass percentage of the solvent also. Okay na? Here one formula is there, I am writing the formula. Mass percentage of a component. Okay na? Mass percentage of a component, it may be mass percentage of a component, it may be solute, it may be solvent, is equal to mass of a component, mass of a component in the solution, by total mass of solution, total mass of solution into 100. Okay na? Right, this is the most important one to calculating the mass percentage of any component. Okay na? The component, it may be solute, it may be solvent. For example, here I am taking solution is there. Okay, solution is there. Solution containing the two components. One component is the A component, another component is the B component. Okay, here A component having the mass WA and B component having the mass is considered as a WB. At that time we can calculate the mass per solution containing the A component mass percentage. Okay now we can find out the A component mass percentage or B component mass percentage also. How to find out the A component mass percentage and B component mass percentage? Okay, now what is the formula? Mass percentage of a component. Here I am taking here the mass percentage of, I am taking A, that's why I am writing here A component, mass percentage of A component, or it can be also written as mass percentage of component A, capital A, is equal to what? Mass of A component. Okay, which component? Mass of A component, mass of component A, capital A, by total mass of the solution, total mass of solution, total mass of solution. What is mean by total mass of the solution? Total mass of the solution is nothing but solution containing the solute plus solvent. That's why here mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent. But here in this case two components are there, solution containing the two components is there. The mass of the A plus mass of the B are considered as a total mass of the solution, Right, here it can be also written as mass percentage of component A, capital A, is equal to mass of A component. Here mass of A component is considered as a WA by total mass of the solution. Here WA plus WB. Okay na? WA plus WB WA plus mass of A component plus mass of B component gives the total mass of the solution into 100%. Sorry, here I am writing the 100%. Okay na? Right. Here I am find outing this one. Okay na? Mass of the B component. At that time we can take mass percentage of the component A place, we can replace with B and write down same equation. Okay na? Right. You look at here. I am completing that one also. Look at here. Mass percentage of B component. Mass percentage of B component is equal to what? Is equal to mass of component B. Mass of component B is considered as the mass of component A, this one. Mass of component B. Right. Here I am writing the mass of component B. By what? Total mass of the solution. Total mass of the solution means mass of A and mass of B. Mass of A component, mass of B component into 100. Okay na? Into 100 gives the mass percentage of the B and it gives the mass percentage of the A component. Okay na? A component. Here look at here, the final conclusion. Here I am taking the solution containing the solute plus the solvent. Here I am taking the solution having the solute and also solvent. Here the time we can find out the solute mass percentage. Okay na? Mass percentage of the solute. At that time the equation is mass percentage of solute is equal to mass of the solute by total mass of solution into 100. Okay na? Here I am writing the solute having the mass W solute. Here mass of the solvent is considered as a W solvent. Then okay na? Then this equation also written as mass of solute is equal to okay na? Mass percentage of the solute is equal to mass of the solute W solute okay na? By W solute plus W solvent into 100. Okay na? Like this manner we can calculate the mass percentage of the solute. Same like this manner we can calculate mass percentage of solvent also. Mass percentage of solvent. Okay na? You can write down how to write it. Okay na? Mass percentage of the solvent is equal to mass of solvent by total mass of the solution. Total mass of solution. Okay na? Total mass of solution. It can be also written as mass of the solvent is considered as W solvent by W solute plus W solvent into 100. Here also into 100. Okay na? Into 100. This is considered as the calculation of the solution containing the solute and solvent or any two components, A component, B component. For that component we can calculate the mass percentage, how much percentage of the A component or solute is there, how much percentage of the solvent is there, we can calculate by using the mass percentage formula. This formula is the important one. Note down it. Okay? Note down. Okay, here we are doing the problem on mass percentage. Okay, problem on mass percentage. Question, I am writing the question, note down. The question is, a solution is prepared by adding a solution is prepared by adding 2 grams of a substance A, 2 grams of substance A, capital A, to TO2, 18 grams of water. Okay, the question is, calculate the mass percentage of the solute. Calculate the mass percentage of solute. Okay na, calculate the mass percentage of the solute. Okay na, this is the question. Okay na, the question is, calculate the mass percentage of the solute. This is the important one. What is the formula? Mass percentage, okay, solution, mass percentage of which one? Solute. Mass percentage of the solute is equal to okay na, mass of which one? Mass of solute by total mass of solution into 100. This is the formula. Okay, from this we can substitute the values in this formula. First of all, mass of the solute. Okay na, mass of the solute. Look at here, a solution is prepared by, okay na, by adding of the 2 grams of A substance to 18 grams of water. That means, for example, here I am taking one beaker. Okay na, here 2 grams of A substance is taken into beaker. How many grams? 2 grams. Of which one? A component. Okay na, to that one we are adding which one? 18 grams of water. 18 grams of water means H2O. Okay, this is the first component, this is the second component. Okay na, here the first component A. Okay na, here A, how many grams are there? 2 grams are there. Okay na, mass of the A component to 2 grams, and mass of the second component H2O. Okay na, second component H2O mass is the 18 grams. Okay na, look at here, which is considered as a solvent, which is considered as a solute. Okay na, here is present in very small quantity is considered as a solute. This is considered as a solute. This is considered as a solvent. In our question, what is the question? Calculate the mass percentage of the solute. Here this is the solute. Okay, that's why here the mass percentage of the solute is equal to mass of the solute. What is the mass of the solute? 2 grams. Okay, now I am writing here 2 grams by, okay na, total mass of the solution. Total mass of the solution means, okay na, solute plus solvent. Okay na, 2 plus 18. Okay na, 2 grams, 18 grams. Okay na, here into 100 is equal to, okay na, here 2 by 20 into 100. 25 is 10. Okay na, 10%. Answer is the 10%. Okay na, calculate the mass percentage of the solute. How much percentage of solute is there? 10% of the solute is there. Okay na, note it down.